Alright, here we are out on your boat here. Back to neutral. Right there you see our depth finder works. The speedo works. You'll get to see that actually in action here when we accelerate. Trim's up. The trim sender seems to be sticking, so I'm going to try to adjust that when I get back on the trailer. Volt's good, fuel's full, tack. Your stereo's right here. I have to turn it on talk radio because if not, the music actually sets off the copyright.
Forgiveness and reconciliation.
Buttons and switches. Right here's the kill switch. Most important thing, if it won't start, is to check that, and it will not start in gear. Start it. When it's been running, you just turn the key, push the choke, fires right up. If it hasn't been ran in a while, you hit this to release, and that's fast idle. Hopefully you kind of heard that. Okay, and then once you're back in neutral, it goes off. Buttons and switches, horn. Sure you heard that. Bilge pump, it's automatic. Nav lights built in. Your anchor light there. Your nav light is stored up in here in the storage. I'll do a video later showing that working. Docking lights up front, I'll do a video as well. Interior lights I left on, show you where they are. Hopefully you can see them. Live well, I'll show you that later. Accessory, I wasn't really sure. Let's see. That does turn that off. Alright. So when you turn that on, then you hit power, and then it comes back on. Okay? On. There we go. And I know that's accurate because right there's the no wake buoys, and it's 50 feet at the no wake buoys, and that's what it was when I went past them. So let's get up and look around a little bit. We got storage on the floor. So you can see all of our latches are good. Right there's the light I was talking about. Here, plugs in up front. Again, when I get out, I'll make a video of all that. The foot pedal for the trolling motor. I actually had to order you two D-cell, the great big trolling motor batteries. We didn't have them in stock, but you got two of those coming. Coming up on the front. Here's the live well. I don't know if you do much fishing or not, but it comes with all this stuff, so I gotta show you how it works. So this is just an overflow valve here. So when this fills up, the water runs over there to keep it fresh in there. Looking at the vinyl, it's extremely nice. Let's come up here, look at these fishing seats. Extremely nice. Walk a little slower, sorry. All this carpet snaps out. That light's on too. I thought it wasn't. It's just very dim. Seats in this are awesome. Captain's chair. Back here, ski tow bar, transom shade saver. Oh, there's snap under there. So basically, you can throw a curtain on this and use it as a changing room. Storage there to get to your batteries. See it pump good water. Turn the live one. Oh, that scared me. Yep, it works. Right there. Go ahead and shut that and I'll shut it off. These are actually little pop-out cup holder things. Do it right. That. Which one there? There's a few scattered out. Okay, let's shut that off. Now let's accelerate. So shifting, your trim up down's here. Forward, you don't lift anything up, you just push it. Neutral, shifts real smooth. Reverse, right there. I can do it with a finger so you see I'm doing it easy. And the steering's very smooth, it's hydraulic. We capped off the fluid. Fills up right there. Let's go and go into forward here and see what she can do. It's got a lot of pep. I mean, it'll get up and go in no time. And as you can see, I'm turning it easy with one finger. Try to sit back so you can see that. I mean, that's pretty impressive for an outboard to be able to do that. So let's go ahead and push her on up. I had it trimmed up a little bit, sorry. There, now let's look at our speed. So as you can see, she easily did over 40. I think I could have pushed it a lot harder too, but the shifter bumps into the fish finder right here. So there we go. Hope you like it. I'm gonna finish your videos and we get out. Just wanted to show you here is, this thing's easy to put on the trailer as long as you don't get the trailer too deep in the water. So see how much bunk he's got out? That's all you need right there. That way it just slides right on. If you get it too deep in the water, then it can be somewhat of a struggle because the boat floats, there's nothing to grab it. Don't mind how Billy's dressed. And that's with one hand. You ready? Scared him a little bit. Now this does set up nice and high on the trailer, so you don't have to worry about trimming up as high as you would in a normal stern drive. So just like that, that's perfect. Come back to neutral, shut her off, then let's turn our stuff off. Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yep. So, I'll show you the outside here. Oh boy, I forgot to take that sign off before I went in the water. So here's your trailer. We got a spare jack, 2-inch ball, a 4-pin flat. So we got our night light on for driving at night. Docking lights all work. Coming up to the side. And it's a good looking rig on the trailer. Nice chrome wheels. 5 lug with buddy bearing caps. There's our big 150 Yamaha. As you can see, the prop and skag are nice. Put the night light on up there. Just a nice build. There's Billy loading up your cover. Make sure I don't trip over something. There she is.